Hello everyone. Today LeetCode daily problem is convert binary number present in a linked list into integer. So let's directly jump to the problem. So here the problem is that we have given a head of a linked list, and then we have to convert and this linked list value will be either 0 or 1, and this basically as a whole it will represent a binary number. So I have to calculate what decimal number this binary number will denote. So let's directly jump to the problem now. So we have given one head of the linked list, and we have to calculate the integer value of that linked list. So now what we will do directly we will there is basically different way to solve this question. One way can be that we will convert this into some array list, and then we will try to calculate its value one by one. And then we will try to calculate its value like 1 into its length 2 to power 1 into length minus 1 to power 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 to the power 0, like this we can do. But this will be here we will have to use one space, one total space, which is not good. We, the time complexity will be O of 1, O of n. Space complexity and time complexity both will be O of n. So that is not good at all. So what we can do, we can try to improve the space complexity uh, and try to make it by O of 1. The time complexity will always be O of n, as in worst case also I have to traverse all the elements, so it will be at least O of n. So we will try to do it in time complexity of n and space complexity of 1. So another way can be that we will directly start it from here and like this. If we linked list is like this, and if we are on head here and result is equal to initially 0, what we can do, we can directly multiply it by 2, and we will try to get the answer like this. So what we can do, result is equal to this. Now we will get here 1. So what we will do, we will multiply this by 2 plus 1 plus this value. So it will become result equal to 1. Now what we will do, we will again come here, move the head to here, and then we will again repeat the same thing. Result is equal to now result is 1, so 1 into 2 plus this value 0, it will become 2. Now again the head will come here. Now again result will become 2 into 2 plus this value 1 is equal to, it will become 5. So what we can do, we will initially we can run one while loop. Res is equal to 0 while head val is not equal to null. I am just writing pseudocode. What we can do, we can directly take it as res into 2 plus the value of this one. I am not taking head val. It will be directly head is not equal to a null. So the head val. So and after that, what we will do, we will directly add the result value. No, no, no. We have already added here. So this will be the answer. Logic, and at the end we will return result. So this will be one solution. I will run this, and after that I will show you second solution. So let's directly jump on the lead code and submit the problem. So this is the problem. Now what I will do, in the pseudocode I have not written code that head is equal to head next to. I will write it here. Result is equal to result into 2 plus head is equal to head next. Now this will internally run, and oh sorry, I written have written Java C++ code. So this is one way to solve the problem. Here we will take one result value, and then we will directly do the value like this. What we are doing here, that on every bit movement, the value should get multiplied by 2 on every bit movement. Like what I am saying is that what I am saying is that 101 is there. So here bit is getting multiplied by 2 to the power 0. Here bit is getting multiplied by 2 to the power 1. Here bit is getting multiplied by 2 to the power 2. So initially, when I'm starting from here, then I am not I'm multiplying it by nothing, because the result in is equal to 0. So result into 0 is equal to 0 only. Then here I have multiplied nothing. Here I have multiplied by 2. Here I have multiplied by again 2. That is 2 to the power 2. Like this it is happening. So this is one way, and another way can be like this 101. Another way we can solve this problem using bit manipulation, some concept, bitwise, this one bitwise operator, bit movement. Like what we can do here, that initially we will take result is equal to 0. Then what we will do, we will try to move the bit by 1. Basically, this is also what it is doing. This is also doing multiply by 2. This is also used to do multiply by 2. For example, if any value is 2, its bit uh, binary will be this one 1 0. And if we will do this by 1, then it will become 1 0 0. It will move by 1 bit. So it become 4, that is equal to 2 into 2. So this is equal to into 2. So earlier what we are doing, we were doing result is equal to result, sorry, result into 2 plus 1. So what we can do now, that result this this will is also equal to result into 2. Now instead of plus 1, if we will do or 1, then also it will every time become 1. It or 1 it will become last value will become 1, or if you will do this 0, then last value will become 0. So if so instead of adding the val, we can also do this one. So this code will get converted into this one val, sorry. That is, this is equal to into 2. This is equal to or 0 val. That is, every time the last value last value will be always 0. And if we'll do or val, so if val will be 1, then it will become 1. If val will be 0, then it will become 0. So now our code will get converted into while result is equal to result this this head val. So this is our second way to solve the problem. Now we'll directly jump on the code and we will submit the code. I will comment this one, or rather I will copy paste this one here, and then I will comment it here. No, 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 what happened? So now it is, I've checked the everything get accepted, so I will directly run again. So now I have submitted the problem, it got submitted. That's it. Thank you for watching the video.